Hi everyone, you're welcome to today's Jasmy price update video. If you're paying attention, Jasmy is currently trading at around 0.0142. We are up 2.7% in the last 24 hours. Market cap is sitting slightly above $700 million. We are still ranked number 90th position out of over 9,000 active cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap, which still calls for a celebration, because by the time the liquidity rotation begins from BTC, we should expect Jasmy to be among the coins that are going to get a larger share of that first phase of the liquidity rotation. Now, before you panic sell, let's look at what the Jasmy chart is saying. Once again, we are going to be looking at the BTC Dominance as well in order to get a clear picture of what the market is saying. Before proceeding, in case you're new to my channel, my name is Isaac. Don't forget to hit the subscription button, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video like this. And then if you're here to like this video, give it a thumbs up, smash the like button. In our previous video, I specifically drew you guys attention to the Jasmy RXI and also the Jasmy price chart. I told you guys a reversal should happen from where Jasmy corrected to. Now, which we had a breaker block around that zone. This zone is likely to act as a breaker block, which was what happened. Now, we got that reversal from that breaker block zone, and also the RSI also reversed to the upside. I think in our last video, the RSI was around 33%. Now, the momentum is currently seated at 38.7%. That is to say, we are now gradually making our way back to the upside. By the time this RSI breaks above the 50% level, then we should begin to expect a parabolic move to the upside, which is likely to take out this high this time around, the high around 0.020. Remember, that was the previous take profit area we entered. We exited our long position when we entered around this zone. I specifically told you guys the take profit area, the area you should watch out for should be that 2-cent zone. That was what happened. The moment Jasmy came there, it got a correction, and ever since then, we've been under that 2-cent zone. Even if the RSI should correct back a little bit, I think there should be another accumulation opportunity, entry opportunity for whoever is looking for an entry opportunity. If you can start dollar cost average into the price of Jasmy coin even at this current price, because you wouldn't want to be sidelined when the altcoin season officially kickstarts. Now, if you're paying attention, Jasmy on CoinMarketCap, we are currently at a maximum supply of 50 billion, total supply 50 billion, still circulating supply 49.44 billion. That is to say, Jasmycoin can easily get to $1. It's going to take a lot of people by surprise, unfortunately, but it can easily get to $1 and even surpass $1, gets to $2 in the long run. Considering the utility build-up, the steady partnership and all that, then expect to see this project in the top 50 project very soon, in the top 20 project very, very soon. So what I think is, the moment we are taking out the 2-cent zone this time around, we are going to rally hard to around 0.033, which is the 3-cent level. All we need to see now is Jasmy to successfully pump back up, take out the 2-cent zone. The moment that is happening, just begin to expect the price to rally hard to 3 cents, which is around 0.033. Pay attention to the price I just gave, because it's going to happen. I talked about the BTC Dominance in yesterday's video as well, and the BTC Dominance is still in the overbought zone. Remember, this is the monthly time frame we talked about yesterday. We need to see a massive correction in order for our altcoin bag, in order for our meme coins, for the altcoin market to begin, and also for the altcoin season to kickstart. By the time you guys start seeing a massive correction on the BTC dominance, that is a clear indication we are now in the earliest stage of the altcoin season. Now, when we had a minus 4% correction last month on the BTC dominance, altcoins had a recovery rally to the upside. Like some even pumped 50, 100% to the upside, some 200%. Now imagine what would then happen to our altcoin bag by the time the BTC dominance eventually start dropping, start correcting, start dipping, start retracing, minus 10%. Minus 20%, minus 25, 30%, 35%, minus 40%. The maximum correction I'm expecting for the BTC dominance is minus 39% because historically that is the level which the BTC dominance usually forms its bottom. If not for the change in this current market cycle, we would have even had the altcoin season long ago. But a lot of things changed this time around: institutional adoption, government, just name it. So this market cycle changed this time around, but in as much as the date, the month, the period has changed, the correction for the BTC dominance is inevitable. Altcoin season is inevitable. So you wouldn't want to be sitting on the fence and be caught off guard, seriously. Now, we need to see that massive correction. The moment the correction happens to around 50%, you should take good profit from the table because your altcoin bag should be massively in profit by then. 50%, if it dropped to 50%, the percentage is currently at 64.63%. It minus 13% drop is going to be massive for the altcoin market. Now, this is how you read the BTC dominance, because I think some of you asked me that question in the comment section of our previous video. By the time you start seeing the BTC dominance correct aggressively to the downside and you see BTC price pumping, that is an indication that your altcoin bag should be pumping already. That is an altcoin season. But if you see the BTC dominant correcting and you see BTC price consolidating, then altcoins are just going to pump a little bit, have a relief rally. But the case where you see the BTC dominant dumping aggressively, like the first one I just said, dumping aggressively to the downside, and you see BTC pumping, then altcoins are going to explode. They are going to go ballistic, parabolic. But if you see the BTC dominant pumping to the upside and you see BTC price pumping, then altcoins are going to dump. And if you see the BTC dominance pumping to the upside and you see BTC price dumping aggressively, then altcoins are going to be massacred, seriously. So that's how it works. Now, I won't advise you rely on the BTC dominant as a 100% indicator. I think you should just use it as a confluence in order to stay level-headed, to be on the safer side, to know when to exit your position and when to enter. Paying attention to the RXI is already screaming overbought, overbought, overbought. The RSI is now in the overbought zone. So that is to say, we might wake up tomorrow and see the BTC dominance start aggressively correcting. You never can tell. Please like this video if you haven't already. Smash the like button. If you're new to this channel, my name is Isaac. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel before leaving. As always, stay out of trouble. Peace out.